Hello people, welcome again to this channel. So today we will talk about Instagram application, and I would like to show you the way how you can add notes or adding something that you think, everything that will be appear on the top side of your profile on Instagram. You just need to open the Instagram application, and then you just need to click the profile here, and there will be like a notes on the top side of the photo profile that you have here. So you just need to go click it. And you just need to add what are you thinking just now. You can also even mention your friends, but here I want to just type sleepy. And then you just need to go click share, and you're done. So you already got this noted displayed into your profile, and it will stay there for 24 hours, and it will be like automatically disappear from your photo profile. And that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.